Break even, surely. Boom. Break even trade. Let's see what happens. Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we smacked an absolutely beautiful long on ES, 1.4R. And yeah, in this video we're just gonna recap this beautiful trade. If you guys are new watching this, I'm Nick. I've been day trading for a couple months now, and I am basically just documenting every single day in the market as sort of like a little video journal, so that one day I can come back and watch like how I was thinking, what I was doing in the past, what was working, what's not working. It's good to like have a documentation of how your trades play out, why you take a trade, your psychology regarding the trade. But yeah, and the thing I've noticed from these videos is that I'm so nasty on trading the combines. This is my third combine, and I'm going to pass it this week probably. I'm 400 away from the profit target, or 300, 350 away, and it's only been 2 trading days. And then I've already passed 2 combines before, but I blew both fundeds, both XFAs. So it's like I need to transfer my combine psychology to the XFAs, and then I'll be nasty. I'll actually be withdrawing like a lot of money. I just have some sort of mental block still with the fact that I can actually get paid, you know? I have a huge mental block with that. But I understand that once I get that first payout and I feel it and I feel the realness of that, like I see the number hit my bank account, the game is going to be changed. Because once I can see it and I feel it, I realize it's actually real. It's game over, brother. It's game over. Because that's what happened with the combine. I had such a big mental block with passing prop firm challenges, and once I passed my first one, I've passed the other 2 in literally 1 week. So easy, effortless. But let's just go into the trade today. So as you guys see, I have a couple draws right here, right? I like to start off every day on the hourly, 4-hour, and just map out points of liquidity, draws on liquidity. And for me, I mostly trade highs and lows. So as you guys see here, we're displacing lower on the hourly. So I'm kind of anticipating price to react off of this bearish for value gap and continue down to this low. But as you guys see, today we did not get that. We actually come up and we take out this pre-market high, and I feel like we are eventually going to take out this high from yesterday. But all I need is a couple points, so this high was good enough for me. And the reason why I decided to have a more long bias is because of how market opened, okay? As you guys see here on ES, we fail to take out this pre-market low. But if we go to NQ now, look at that. Huge SMT, right? So when you see this pre-market, you have to be aware and recognize that, okay, there is some divergence between 2 correlated pairs. One pair took out a low, the other pair failed to take that low. So that would indify, what's it called? That would imply that ES is the more bullish pair. And I still am not going to go long down here, you know? Like, this is my target, but I need price to show me that it's going to make that push higher, right? So what do? I wait, and I see these 2 big 5-minute candles, right? Closing above this high right here, candle body closures, huge displacement. So I'm very confident at this point that we're going to take out this high, simply because of that SMT, you know, in the morning, and the fact that we make these huge push up at around what, 9:30, 9:40, yeah. So then what do? I'm on the 1 minute at this point, and I see this huge move up on the 1 minute. I'm like, all right, at this point we are within my my target, right? We are within 10-20 points of my overall draw. So I wait for a retrace, right? And I wait for this retrace. I see this 1 minute fair value gap get printed, but I also go down to the 5 minute and I try to see if we're in any PD rays. And look at this, we're in a beautiful 5 minute gap right here. We tap this 5 minute bullish fair value gap right here, and then what do? We inverse this 1 minute bearish gap. Beautiful, beautiful entry, right? So what do? I enter off that inversion, and I kind of got screwed with the entry. I kind of got entered way up here. You guys can see right here, executions, boom, 3 minis, boom, bought, 3 sold there, bought. Beautiful. Just some proof for you guys, proof in the pudding. But I was also super confident in this trade because look at this beautiful break-even point, you know? Like, I want to enter at a point where I know I can go risk-free pretty quick. So as soon as we took out this little, what is it called? Internal high right here, I went break even. As soon as we took that out, I went break even, boom, and we never got stopped out at break even. We just ripped on up to my TP, and a beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. I love this model I'm trading. It's so simple. It makes so much sense to me. It's so simple and it makes so much sense. You just have a high or low you want to get hit, right? Boom, boom, boom. You have to make sure that these highs and lows are very, very, very likely that they're actually going to get hit. And a good thing to help with that is look at the hourly chart, you know. After seeing this hourly candle get printed at 9 o'clock, right, we make this huge bullish wick, huge body close, you know what I mean, going into this high. I was certain after this hourly candle close that we were going to take out the high. I just knew we were. I just knew it. It's discretionary. I just knew we were going to take out the high. It's just a matter of getting filled and getting a good entry, getting a good risk to reward, you know? And this seemed beautiful to me, so I pulled the trigger. And as you guys see on NQ, we also took out that high that I had mapped out right here. And this wick told me even clearer picture. Like, look at that wick right there. Boom. Like, obviously we're going to take out this high, you know? That's just common sense at this point. But as you guys saw, NQ, there's no 5 minute gaps. We were a lot choppier moving up compared to ES, so I traded ES. But that'll do it for today. I'm on a sort of hot streak right now. We're up 2,600 on this combine account. In 1 week, we're 2 for 2, and Juneteenth tomorrow, so not trading tomorrow. Probably won't trade Friday too, honestly. And we'll see next week if we can pass this SOB, this son of a bitch. But yeah, very excited, very happy, very, very confident in my trading model. Like, there's people out there trading this exact way who make 6 figures a month. Why can't it be me? You know, it works. I see it working in real time. Like, it legitimately works. I just can't get in my own way and self-sabotage. I can't be doing that. But yeah, I love just having my one target, waiting for price to show me it's going there, you know? Like, if we zoom out on the 1 minute, like, look, boom, we're just displacing higher. Like, obviously price is going for something. Now, you can use your discretion to just map out, like, what is price likely going to hit. And as you guys know from SMC ICT concepts, we like to hunt liquidity. And this is a form of liquidity, this high right here. Boom, high of day, smacked it. Now, I'm not sure if we're going to go up and take out the actual high of day from yesterday, but that pre-market high is so free, you know? And if we do actually want to go down, and the market wants to go down, we're going to have to take out this high first. Boom. And then now we might see a displacement down. But I'm still pretty confident on this high getting taken up here. We see us retracing here. Boom. I wouldn't take any of these trades because we're still super far away from my target, and we just swept a nice high. So that is that shows, usually implies potential for a reversal, because as you guys know, a lot of people trade like liquidity sweeps and like break of structure or an inverse, and that's that could definitely happen off of this pre-market high. We're still kind of far away, but we're retracing nicely into some of these gaps. I want to wait for a cleaner retrace. Yeah, there's no real gaps we retraced into here. Even on the 1 minute, it's just we got very choppy. And if I was gonna take another long, I would need. I'm not gonna trade again today, but I'm just saying, if I was gonna take another long, I'd want to see this 15-minute gap hold, and I need to see some huge displacement on the 1 minute. So I would need like a very big candle, let's just say, closing above this high right here, and then I'd be confident entering, boom, something like that, and going break even as soon as we take out these highs. That would be another entry for me, but I'm done for the day. We're probably, yeah, it's 11 o'clock, so I'd be done either way, even if I didn't catch the earlier trade. But yeah, just an idea. We'll see if that plays out. But that'll do it for me in this video. If you guys like the daily updates, like, comment, subscribe. I want to have like interactive viewers. Like, I enjoy responding to comments and just talking to you guys. I appreciate any sort of feedback. Like, I am sharing my journey, and I'm documenting it and posting it online to help other people, you know? Like, and it's a very interesting thing too, because I'm putting it out to the whole world. Like, all my friends and family can see these videos. So I'm doing it for a reason, and it comes at a cost sometimes, because you don't know what people say. People can clown on them or whatever, but I just enjoy recording these little recaps and posting them. It's as simple as that. So if you guys enjoy them, I would appreciate some, like, encouragement and stuff, so that I could grow and help reach more people, because trading is a very stressful and lonesome endeavor, and it's very comforting knowing that you're not alone and there's other people struggling out there. And that's what these videos are for. They're there to show you the real, like, raw journey of an aspiring day trader who hasn't made it yet but has a lot of ambition, and one day we all will make it. You just can't give up. I'm willing to spend years doing this without making any money, because I truly enjoy waking up, looking at the chart, seeing if I have a setup, and just executing. Like, I enjoy it. And it's 11 a.m. and I have the rest of the day to do fuck all. I'm going to go to the gym, go to jiu-jitsu, maybe shoot some hoops. Like, I can do whatever I want. That is a dream, And even though I'm not rich yet, that's okay. I'm still living that dream life, even though I'm not rich yet. Like, I know the money will come, because I'm not going to give up, and I'm going to learn and improve day by day by day through these videos, through watching them back, through back testing, through journaling. Dude, look at my journal, bro. I want to see if you guys got this shit. Boom. Today's journal. Yesterday's journal. Other day's journal. Bro, every day, every single day, we're writing paragraphs on this shit, bro. We are locked in. We are locked in. I don't want you telling me you're trying your hardest when you're not even journaling, bro. You gotta be journaling. You gotta be doing this shit. Keep track of your emotions. Keep a track of your psychology. Keep a track of your system. What things that you could do to avoid losses, moving the stop to break even. If that worked out, you need to write it down so you remember it and you're actually able to adapt and improve on your system. But yeah, I'm just yapping now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow's Juneteenth. You know, Black Lives Matter, of course. But fuck. But yeah, Juneteenth. So it's a national holiday. In quotations. I don't really think it should be a national holiday, but markets are closed. Or at least New York. The stock exchange is closed, so there won't be any trading tomorrow. But Friday, I should be back, and I'll if I do trade, I'll definitely have a recap up of the day. But that'll do it for today. See you guys Friday or possibly Monday. Deuces, guys.